G'day viewers, it's Phil Lee from Sunrise Cars and Edward Lee. Just doing a quick video about this vehicle, my Honda NSX, and my very good friend over here, Fred from Sam's Automotive. Say hello, Fred. Come on, show us under this car. Tell me what we're going to do to this puppy, mate.
We're going to put everything off, repair the whole motor, gearbox, clutch, oil leaks.
So we found a few oil leaks in the old girl.
Yep.
We've got a new air conditioning compressor.
That's right, that you supplied. We're going to put that, and then
we're going to research a few other things as well.
Power
maybe
steering, maybe make it a
factory option. Power steering pop in. So this is early model without power steering.
That's right.
So this is basically a very good car, but it's just age, I guess.
Yeah, it's 91, isn't it? It's a 1991. 1990.
So it's turning 30 next year.
That's right, yeah.
Almost as old as you, friend.
Almost. I'm still 28, so. So yeah, it's gonna be a good project.
All right.
You know? It's gonna be good to repair a car like this. You don't see them anymore on the road.
So to get at these oil leaks, we're going to drop the motor. Is that right?
Yeah, we're going to drop the whole motor, gearbox with the cradle, suspension, everything down.
Yeah.
As you see, the exhaust is it's on the floor now.
Yep.
So, and everything is aluminium, as you know.
Yep.
And and then we're going to just take our time and then fix bit by bit on the motor, oil leaks, gaskets, timing belts, air conditioning.
Just go right through it.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, because once it's off, it's best to do everything.
So we'll do the timing belt, water pump.
Timing belt, water pump.
Maybe a clutch.
Thermostat. We'll check the clutch. If it needs it, we'll just do it.
All right.
Yeah. It's a beautiful car for her.
It's a nice old girl, but it's showing a few signs of age, I guess. Once we've done that, she'll be ready to go for another 30 years. What do you reckon?
Another 30 years, yeah. Then I might be 39 then, you know.
Alright, thanks for watching this video. If anyone out there wants to get their Japanese high-performance car looked at, this man comes highly recommended. His name is Fred from Sam's Automotive. Hang on, I'm going to zoom in on this little thing here. That's the number to call. And this guy's worked on these Japanese cars for many years. A true professional. And I'm trusting him with my baby, so he must be good. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 of this video. See ya.